Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to INE's CCA Security version 5 technology series. This time we're gonna focus on advanced malware protection. My name is Peter Koluzny. I will be your instructor in this course. I am a Cisco certified associate professional and expert with over 12 years of experience in networking and network security. The two most important things you will learn and understand from this course are AMP architecture, operations, and components, and also the integration between AMP and certain network security appliances. We're going to start our discussion with an overview of this technology. We will talk about AMP basics, what's the need for AMP, what it does, and how to use it. And then we will take a look at some examples where I will show you how to integrate this solution with Firepower, WSA, and ESA. I hope you guys find this course useful. I hope you enjoy the entire series. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the class.